All right, let me show you how to do some of the parts on the parsimony assignment, especially how to create consensus trees, because that was something that we didn't know how to do. And you might want to know how to do that for your projects. So I've opened up the Strepsiptera data set here. This is just the Strepsiptera data set that we've used before. And I'm going to create a maximum parsimony tree. So first I'm going to do the branch and bound. So remember, you can come here to select which one you. The two that we'll use would be either just branch or bound or TBR. So those are the only two. Don't worry about the one that's called heuristic, even though I've been using that word, and don't worry about SPR. So just branch and bound and TBR. So first branch and bound. Click OK. Remember to always root your trees. So select the node that you want to root, and then root it. So now I've rooted the Cercata and the Cercopid. And notice there are 8 trees, so this is the first tree of 8 with a length of 368. Now you could just go through and watch a particular node. So if you watch the node here of Strepsiptera and Aedes plus Drosophila and just click through these, you'll see there it is, here it is. I didn't reroute these trees, but let's not worry about the rooting just for right now. But if you just look, there it is. And every single one of these trees, Strepsiptera is sister to Aedes and Drosophila. In every single one of these, right? Again, down here, right? On all of them. Now, let me go back all the way to tree 1. Typically, what you do is just push on this button called Compute a Consensus, but I don't know what's going on in the new versions of Mega on the Mac. It doesn't seem to be working. I think it does work on a PC. But there is a workaround this if you want to do it. So I push on this Compute Consensus, I push OK, and it doesn't even work. In fact, now it's like stopped here. Okay, so instead you can do this. You can come up to File, so up at the top here, and go Export All Newick Trees. So if you do that, you can include the branch legs, that's fine, and then export, and then it makes this little text file. Okay, so if you copy this file, you can paste it into a website that I have posted on the Canvas page. It's this direction here, but I've posted it there, and it brings you to this. Then you come over and click on the consensus trees number, the 5th one down, and then click on the run, and it gives you this interface right here. You can just paste those trees in and then push submit, and it will do a consensus thing for you. Now here it says out of the 8 trees, so you just have to remember how many trees did you give it. It doesn't actually give you the percent here. But as you can see, you come to the node that comes right before the Strepsiptera plus the flies, and 8 out of the 8 trees support that node. So that's kind of a workaround to find a consensus tree. If you want to, you can use that.